In this video, I'm going to show you how to do AI avatar trend on TikTok and Instagram using Lensa AI avatar app. So just download that app on your app store that you have. And once you're done installing Lensa AI avatar, just go ahead and open that one. Just check the terms and agreement and then tap continue. And once you're here, you will then see a lot of examples on how your photo can turn into avatar. So these are the features of using this one. So the first one is Magic Avatar, and then Magic Retouch, and then Pro Adjustments, exclusive presets, and a lot of stuff. So all in one, a single app with lots of essential tools for photo and video editing. So just tap on continue. So in here, you can try this app for 7-day free trial. So just go ahead and toggle that app and tap on continue. So click on start my 7-day trial now. So in here, you'll be needing to subscribe to this payment agreement, but if you don't want to continue, just go ahead and cancel this anytime. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.